Here's the game schedule. There will be no game this Friday at the Iron Coliseum. The best of seven finals will start on Sunday. Our Portuguese will have a knockout game for third place between San Miguel Beer and Provincial Superman.
Ito, Coach Maniago, kasama po niya si Robert Jaworski. Coach, go ahead.
Maraming salamat, Ed. And Coach Sunny, how does it feel? Coach,
This coming Sunday, here at the Astrodome.
okay. Coach, 4 years after huli kayong nakapasok sa finals, nakabalik na rin kayo. How does it feel?
Aba, masarap pa yan, nakikita mo. Maligaya lahat, di ba? Well, anyway, I think we really worked for this spot. But it's just beginning. What is more important is getting in there and giving everything we got in these succeeding games.
In the game 2 and game 3, very close yung panalo nyo. Ngayong game na to, you blew them out. What did you put into the game plan?
Well, I think we were able to cover up on Strochers, and we also plugged Kaidik's outside shots. So these are factors that will mean a lot in their game.
Coach, at what point in the ball game, inumpisahan mong isipin ang Alaska?
Hindi ko iniisip ang Alaska, sila mag-isip sa amin. Pareho lang naman kami. 12 manlalaro nila, 12 kami. So we're ready out here, and we'll give everything we have.
Message to the fans out there, yung mga especially yung mga Ginebra fans na ang tagal-tagal nang naghihintay makabalik kayo sa finals.
Well, para sa inyo po ito, at sana nga magbunga ng gusto para mas marami maligaya. At salamat po sa napaka-importante niyong suporta. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Coach, and congratulations again.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, babalik kami after a while.
Yan po mga kaibigan ng final score, 122-106, a convincing win by Ginebra San Miguel laban po sa San Miguel Beer dito sa ating Game 4. At ang Ginebra San Miguel na po ang haharapin ng Alaska sa ating championship, Coach Cheng.
Oo, sa linggo yun. At nasabi natin, itong Ginebra San Miguel, are they really a championship team? Siguro, sabi nila ngayon, we made it to the finals now. They
Championship
have
team na sila.
championship team na sila.
Ang problema nila, kung paano nila mapapanalo yung kampinato.
Oo, championship team difference from a champion team.
Yun, pan-championship sila, ika nga. Okay, mga kaibigan, ito naman po ang ating pinakahintay ninyo, ang ating Guild-Based Choice Players. Players po, dalawa ang ating napili. Coach Cheng,
Yes,
paki-announce.
itong dalawang to, nag-key sa defense ng Ginebra, nag-key rin sa kanilang offense, especially the fast break. Walang iba kundi si Val David at si Vince Season.
Ito po ang kanilang statistics. Ayan. Ito pong dalawang ito came off the bench. Hindi po sila nag-first five. 22 kay Val David, 29 kay Vince Season. At meron pa silang mga rebounds, assists, at steals. At kasama po ng dalawang Guild-Based Choice Players na yan, ang ating katotong si Chino Trinidad. Chino?
Okay, we have Vince Season first. Vince, I know you cannot sing, but you can play basketball.
Well, let me just say that at my birthday party I had to sing, so it's just a tradition. But it was definitely fun to come out and win this one for not just us, but for all of the fans of Ginebra. They've been waiting for this for 5 years, and I've been waiting for this ever since I got here. So it's been a long road, but finally we've got the chance in front of us.
Big turnaround, what was the key?
Really just the focus and intensity. During the first game, everything wasn't going well. Struthers was on a rampage, and it was just really difficult to contain him. And that was the key. If we could somehow contain Struthers in some way, and then get the other guys on our team going offensively, then we had a chance. And luckily, thank God, that's what happened.
Missing 2 close calls to the finals, losing out with that shot by Redfield in the second Conference Commissioner's Cup. Did that in any way help the team in sort of maybe increasing the composure or maybe the heart that this team has?
Yeah, well, the hunger was definitely increased when that heartbreaking shot by James, and then Redfield came down and hit that. My heart, I didn't sleep for wala kong tutulog mga 3 days, and I was just having a difficult time, but it definitely got the whole team together to try harder and to give more.
Okay, I'll let you go because I'll be mugged Okay, greet real quick.
So lahat yung mga pamangkin sa Davao, this one's for you. Salamat.
Okay, lipat tayo dito sa kabila. You can go now. Lipat tayo kay Bal David. After nung nakaraang game, malungkot ka sa isang corner, nanalo kayo, pero nagmumukmo ka. Anong nasa isip mo no? Naisip mo, mukhang wala ka sa series na ito.
Noong time na yun, iniisip ko, bali, parang wala ako sa game, ganun. Parang hindi ako kasama. Kasi laging off night. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, this night na babawi ako para naman sa mga fans, siyempre. Tsaka sa mga relatives ko, sa parents. Para naman di sila ma-frustrate sa akin.
Mahirap sa isang rookie yung nangyari sa'yo. Iniisip mo, gusto mo mag-contribute, hindi ka makapasok. Pero paano mo nahawakan yung composure, sabihin natin, na-maintain mo yung confidence mo sa sarili mo?
Siguro, dala na rin ng prayers. Kasi yun nga, especially yung prayers, then yung motivation ni coach, sabi niya sa akin, bawi na lang, Bal, next time. So, eto nga yung night na nakabawi.
Alam mo ba kung gaano kadaming tao pinaligayan nyo sa buong Pilipinas? Alam ko gustong marinig yung boses mo at siguro pinakamagandang tanong dito, handa kayo sa Alaska?
We practice hard. So yun, pagpa-practice na namin maigi, paghahanda namin maigi, syempre, na-inspire din kami sa mga fans na sumusuporta. At the same time, wag sana kayong magsawa.
Sumuporta pa kayo lalo. Okay, mga kaibigan, ang Game 1 po nila ay sa linggo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. See you Sunday. Lipat tayo doon sa taas. Dapat may bonus si Hengyaw dahil hindi pa natatalo nga ang Ginebra sa kanya.
Okay, kaninang nag-umpisa tayo, regla pinag-uusapan. Hanggang ngayon, regla pa rin.
Oo, ganun pa rin.
Okay, mga kaibigan, bago po natin ihatid sa inyo iba natin mga ibibigay sa inyo. Narito po ang ating Grand Air Sky High Shot of the game. At ito naman si Lamont Struthers naman na makikita natin dito ng San Miguel Beer. Tingnan po naman ninyo, ito sa first quarter pala nangyari ito. Napakagandang reverse layup ni Lamont Struthers to earn the Grand Air Sky High Shot of the game plum. Okay, sa kasalukuyan po mga kaibigan, si Anthony Suntay naman kasama ang natalo pong coach. Walang iba kundi si Norman Black ng San Miguel Beer. Narito po ang interview niya ni Anthony.
Well, Coach, you guys played and tried your best, but it seemed like, there was really no denying Ginebra.
Yeah, they played well tonight, Anthony. And they were bigger, stronger inside, and their two guards, David and Hezon, played very well tonight. Yes.
Did you really get surprised about the press that they put out? Because they've never used it in this whole year.
No, they actually used it last game, so we weren't really surprised with it. We were just a little bit off tonight. We didn't really have a rhythm in the game. It got to the point where we just had to give Lamont the ball and let him go offensively because the local players were not performing very well. So give credit to Ginebra well tonight.
Okay, thank you very much, Coach.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sa ngalan po ng Vintage Sports ng Philippine Basketball Association at ng VTV on IBC, ngalan po ni Coach Hengyaw at sa lahat po sa amin dito. Ako po si Ed Pixon mula sa Cuneta Asadom. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong pagsubaybay. We'll see you around.